Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods, and today I want to chat about bushcraft belt systems. So let's get started. Right, so I'm right-handed. I cross-draw my knife. My knife is the tracker from Tom Brown. Has orange bit of paracord and a little bead in the end, but I cross-draw this way. But again, I can move it out of my way if I'm doing stuff. So that's another reason I want to talk about this. Some people say, why do you not just add everything onto your belt with your trousers? But if I did, your trousers would probably fall down. Also, if you think about it from a practical point of view, if it's cold weather, right, you're gonna have a big coat on. So if I had my trousers, this is all my trousers, and I had a big coat on, and we're in cold weather, if I wanted to get anything, I'm lifting up my shirt, or I'm allowing cold air to come in, which wouldn't be practical. Also, it's going to be getting in the way of stuff. And then also, if you think about it, if I have it on my belt for my trousers, and say that I hurt my right hand, I cut it or something, and I hurt my left hand, or whatever the hand you hurt. If it's on your belt and it's on the pouch, your first aid kit's on the side, you can't get to it. So what I'm trying to say is, if I hurt my right hand and this is on my belt and I can't do much with my right hand and I can't really do this way, what are you supposed to do? Drop your trousers? So I like it so that if I do hurt my hand, I could just move it around or unbuckle it and take it off and then still get to my first aid kit, which is important. So some of the things people don't forget about, eye protection and hand protection. If you're out and you hurt your hands, you're gonna have a hard time. Same things if you get anything in your eye. Maybe you're doing flint knapping or flint and steel, and something gets in your eye, you're gonna have a problem. So people forget about that kind of stuff. Another point of wearing it like this is having on its own belt system. So suppose I just finished building everything I want to build. I'm done. I've done my fire, done this, and I just want to lay down for a little bit. I could take this off, put it on the side, go in my hammock, go in my little shelter, and I'm okay. So that's another nice new tip there. But let me take it off, I'll lay it down and I'll show you what I carry. Alright, so this is my right side. So I'm righty. My first pouch is my first aid kit. This is from Limitless Equipment. Very good pouch. Independent British company. So tourniquet, make sure you know how to use one, a couple of gauze, and stuff that we normally get stuck with, like tweezers for splinters and stuff, is handy. And then I have my old bandages and stuff and the rest of it in there. So just a general first aid kit, including burn cream. That's another important one. Right, next pouch up, I have my fire kit. This is my ferro rod. I put some duct tape on it to give a nice handle. I put a little bit of paracord with a clip on it and using a little striker there. Works well. One of those bellows. And then I got some spare tinder here. That's from Beaver Bushcraft. They make great stuff. Highly recommend them. I got a Hudson Bay tin, which has more tinder, fungus, and all that kind of stuff. A steel. Again, from Beaver Bushcraft. You also have a magnifying glass on top. Great kit. I like the old traditional stuff. This one's a recent purchase from Facebook Trade Group. It's the Falfenaven DC4 sharpening stone. And I think that's it. Just a cap for this. So that's all that's in my fire kit. Next pouch is something that I use nearly every day. Especially at work. This is a Leatherman Surge. I normally carry Leatherman Wave. Great multi-tool. This one, that way is here. So that one has a saw, but I also have in here, that's the file. But I also have another set of replacement saws for metal and wood, and also a driver to carry them all. So multi-tool is good. I mean, use the pliers, take anything hot off the fire, or fixing stuff, or just general if you want to have a small saw with you when you're doing around camp. And like I mentioned before, that's the knife I usually have with my belt. Very sharp, good chopper, very nice handle on it, lanyard with a little bit of a skull bead on it. I just like it, very nice, comfortable to use. Now obviously you're not set to this is all going by certain skill levels and stuff. So if you wanted to have maybe a bigger first aid pouch, you know, you could, with your blood type and all the rest of it. It's just that's twice the size of that one, but I don't need that big. Some people like to carry an axe. This is my one of choice. I prefer this one over the much bigger axes. I just get on really well with it. I got it very sharp and works well, but again, not belt friendly for me. And then if you say, Joe, your knife's not big enough, that's not a real survival knife, then you can go for a SXB, which again I've used. Great chopper, nice handle, just works all around well, but again a bit too beefy for a belt kit for me, but you do have your options. So that's my belt kit, that's what I carry. Let me know in the comment section what you carry. Everybody, like I said, everybody's gonna have different stuff. Same as a bug out bag, everybody's gonna have different items in a bug out bag, but I just figured I'd share that. Key points to take away from this is eye protection and gloves. That's very important. Also, my ideas of carrying it over the clothes separately, so you can get to your first aid kit no matter which hand you're hurt or whatever happens. And also, for cold weather, not having that draft come up under your clothes when you have to keep going, lifting it. You know, just that's little bits might help you. But let me know in the comment section. Also, make sure if you like this kind of videos, I have over 400 videos, so please like and subscribe to that. Also notifications, a few YouTube creators have put videos out about notifications. I haven't got any notifications and they're all on, so maybe you have to click that bell again, and so you know when a video comes out. Thanks guys for watching, catch you next video, bye.